given that x plus t equals to xt, and another equation here will be 2ty minus y squared equals to 3. The first one we're going to find out what is your dx dt and dy dt. Hence, find the value of dy dx when x equals to 2. So differentiate x with respect to t. So differentiate x, we get 1. And this is not respect to t, so we need to write the implicit dx dt. And differentiate t, we get 1. For the right hand side, we have product rule. As we can see, x is time with t. These two are known. So product rule, copy the front one, differentiate at the back, and then copy the back one, differentiate at the front. So differentiate the back one t, we get 1. Differentiate x, we get 1, but this is not respect to t, so we need to write dx dt. So afterwards, we're going to collect back the term of dx dt. So this one, we move it to the left hand side, negative t dx dt. And then this one we move to the right hand side, minus 1. We take out the dx dt. As factorize out this factor, we get 1 minus t here. So therefore dx dt, we can get x minus 1, 1 minus t. Then we move on to another equation to find out dy dt, means we're going to differentiate y with respect to t. The first term here we can see product rule. So copy the front function 2t, differentiate at the back, plus copy the back, differentiate the front. So differentiate the back function, differentiate y, we get 1. And we are not respecting to t, so we need to write dy dt. And then differentiate the front one, 2t, we get 2. Then continue for the next term. Differentiate y squared, we get 2y. This is not unknown t, so that's why we need to write dy dt. And lastly, at the right hand side, differentiate constant, we get 0. So what we need to do here is simplify first. You can see we have two coefficients. We can divide by 2. So we get t dy dt. This one minus y dy dt. At the same time, I move the y to the right hand side, become negative y. Then you take out, factorize out the dy dt. So dy dt equals to negative y over t minus y. Then continue to find dy dx. To find dy dx, we need dy dt times dt dx. So substitute our answer dy dt time with dt dx. So this is dx dt, so we need to inverse it to get dt dx. Inverse it, numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. And then the question say when x is equals to 2, find this value dy dx. So for this, we cannot simplify anything. We get it in the product form. Then we continue to find the value. As you want to find out the value, you must know what's your y value, what's your t value, and what's your x value. Given here only x equals to 2. So we take out from the equation x here, 2 plus t equals to 2t here. We substitute into x equation here so that we can find out what is your t value. So t will equals to 2. Then continue. When t is equals to 2, we still need our unknown y. So substitute equals to our equation here. 2ty minus y squared equals to 3. So we get a quadratic here. Negative y squared plus 4y minus 3. As we have negative quadratic, we need to simplify the negative before we use the calculator to factorize. So y will equals to 1, y will equals to 3. So we have two set of answer. Firstly, which is when x equals to 2, t equals to 2, and y equals to 1. Then we find out what is our dy dx here. This is negative 1 over 2 minus y is 1, t is 2, x is 2. So here we have 1. Then we have another set of answer is when x equals to 2, t equals to 2, and our y value is equals to 3. Find out the dy dx here. So negative 3 over 2 minus 3 times 1 minus t, and then x minus 1. So simplify this, you can get negative 3. So this is how we find out our value for dy dx.